Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today, Tuesday, 2 April 2024. My trade setup directions for today will be long on the US dollar, the CAD and the yen, and short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the euro. Remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade ideas for today. So let's get started. The dollar index, well, still very strong over the long weekend. The PPI figures came out red hot on Friday, so that's pushing this dollar up sky high. I was hoping for a retracement, but it never retraced and tested, so I can't be anything else than bullish. I got my intraday indicator bullish, I got my short-term indicator bullish, my medium and my long-term indicator bullish. So everything is bullish here on the dollar, so I'll be staying dollar bullish. Now, that doesn't make much difference on gold. Gold should sell off in general as a rule of thumb on a strong dollar, but doesn't. So that shows a lot of interest in gold, and I've got a very bullish view on gold. Targets, short-term targets up to 2,500. But over the next few months, maybe the rest of the year, could be $3,000 to $3,200. So I'll be staying long on gold extensive and as much as I can. So looking really good at this stage. So we will have to get a retracement before I can do anything here. And this is still, if you look at the daily charts, this big swing from this low to that high, 61% fib right at that market structure there. So that's where I'll get interested in 4 hours, maybe 1 hour even, and end of day candle reversals there. So I'm pretty much bullish. In Bitcoin starting the retracement, so I'm happy. So got a bunch of longs here, I've showed that up, but now I'm trying to get a retracement back to roughly this 50-61% level. I would love this to retest the 60,000, maybe the $59,000 levels even. You see that spike down there, brought it down as low as 59,000. So this is the area I would like to get long yet again. Now this is not for trading, this is for my long-term views on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So if I can get this to come back to this area here, if I start to see strong reversals here, I will then definitely add to my Bitcoin position for the long term. FTSE, we just had that long trade there last week and running quite nicely. Can definitely pull stop loss to entry or these lows here. Targets, that swing from that high to this low, Fibonacci 1.27, 1.618. Those are the two levels to watch for some target setting. And that looks really great at this stage. But can't lose money, and that's a great place to be. Oil, running up, strong. Definitely this weekend, very strong. So retracement back to this 50% level on Fibonacci. Structure there, structure there, structure there. I'll get interested in some longs here. I want to be long, but not from those levels. Then on the pound CAD, look at the pound in the neutral zone, so not that keen. Then CAD, I want to be long CAD, so shorting the pound CAD would give me that, but I'm going to need a retracement. Nice structure here, support. If it gets back up there, that could be a strong resistance at the 50% level, and then I'll be looking for some shorts. In the pound New Zealand, again, pound not my main aim, but New Zealand, yeah, second last spot, gaining a little bit on the Swiss franc, but fighting with the Swiss franc for the weakest spot. So if it tests this level, you can see resistance, almost support, then our support, and a nice candle. So I would like to see it test again today. Once it tested, I'll look for some candle reversals for some longs. Now the CAD yen. CAD green zone, yen neutral zone, so I'm after the CAD at this stage. And if I get a retracement here, you can see a little head and shoulder, head, shoulder. You can call this a double bottom, an ABC. It's all kinds of patterns. You can see the resistance levels coming in there. Nice strong run up there. So retracement back to this level. I would like to see this 50% level getting tested, and then I'll look for some candle reversals. New Zealand, US, I want to be short New Zealand, dollar strong. New Zealand, red zone, I want to be short New Zealand. So shorting this here at this level here looks like a good idea to me, but I'll see how the market responds at that reversal there, at that structure there. So if the market respond very bearish there, I'll definitely look for some shorts there. You can see here, nice swing down the page, retracement back to the structure, gonna look for that area. Pound US, right, pound, not the one I'm after, but the US. I want to short this because I want to be long on the US. So shorting the pound US gives me the long on the US. So retracement back to this big level coming in here. I would like to see this level here tested between the 50 and the 61% level. When I get a retest there, I'll see how the market responded, and on a nice candle pattern reversal or a top fractal, pattern reversal, any reversal signal that you like off that levels should be perfect. New Zealand yen. New Zealand, second last spot. Yen, but neutral. But I'm after the short in the New Zealand. So if it gets back to the structure here, I'm going to look there for some shorts on candle reversals. And the Euro cat. Euro cat dropping like a rock. Huh? Yo, this is Euro's being always the cat that's so strong. Not sure yet. But you can see a big swing down the page. I can actually now, since I prepared this might be not yet. If it falls further, and this 50 to 61% gets, or let's call it the structure, gets into the 50-61%, then I'll move this down the page. But for now, I'll have to stick with that. And if it gets back up there, I'll get short. I won't chase this thing down the page. If it falls far enough that my Fibonacci, that level gets between the 50 and 61%, then I will definitely add something to that area there, and then I'll look for some shorts off that support level. Then the cat Swiss running up very nicely, very strong. Seems like it's the cat that's giving the big moves at this stage. Big swing, retracement back to 50%, right at market structure. I want to be long, but not from those levels. I'll see if I can get a retracement. Same scenario, if this goes up far enough that the Fibonacci gets, that this level gets in between the 50 and 61%, then definitely I'll move the Fibonacci and I will then trade a higher level at those levels. But if it reverses from here, I'll rather wait for here. Otherwise, that's not going to be a strong enough break. But this stage, it looks very strong, so I won't be surprised if it runs further and then come back to test that highs later today or tomorrow. In the New Zealand cat, and well, strong trend down the page. New Zealand red zone, cat green zone. I want to be in here. And quite surprised with the strong cat that this thing is not dropping like a rock. But alright, let's see. It's busy retesting this panel. I would like a retracement back up there to the 61% fib level. But got this triangle, got a break. And now trying to break. You can see how it becomes resistance. So a good strong reversal down the page. That'll get me to go short here if I can get a nice rejection of those highs. And a nice shooting star or a nice bearish engulfing or something like that, that gives me a very strong move down the page. But then I will look for shorts. Other than that, when it retraces back up to the 61% level, once it tests that area there, I'll look for some candle reversals. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential short on the Euro US. If you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's move on to the Euro US. See a Euro red zone, US green zone, very keen. Coming down in very nice swings down the page. Every time breaks, just retraces and then breaks. Retraces and then break. So if I look at this support level here, and I can get a retracement back to that area there. Clear-cut support level there, no issue with that. I will even consider those levels up there, but that might be for another day, for a different story. At this stage, this is the prime area I'm looking for. So if I get any top reversals there, pattern reversals, candle pattern reversals, especially my favorite, then I'll definitely look for some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey, and don't forget to trade responsibly. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.